Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Rights for right whales. Right whales are huge, up to 50 feet long. That's about as long as 10 grown-ups lying in a line. Right whales can weigh as much as 750 grown-ups, or 120,000 pounds. Most of the time, right whales live in the northern part of the ocean in the waters near Maine, Massachusetts, and Canada. They like the cold water there. When it's time to give birth, the whales head south, where the water is warmer. They have their babies off the coast of Florida or Georgia. For hundreds of years, right whales were hunted for the oil that came from their fat, or blubber. People use the oil in their lamps. They also use the whale oil to make candles and perfume. Hunters also killed right whales for their baleen. Baleen is a set of bony plates that whales have instead of teeth. Whales use baleen to strain their food from the ocean water. Over the years, hunters killed off thousands of right whales until there were very few of them left. They were in danger of becoming extinct or dying out. In 1935, the U.S. government passed a law that said Americans could not hunt right whales anymore. They could not buy or sell products made from whale oil or baleen. This law still stands today, but the number of right whales hasn't gotten much bigger. That's because right whales now face other problems. Today, many ships travel on the ocean, carrying goods and passengers from place to place. The ships sail in waters where the right whales live. Every year, some ships hit whales by accident. The whales are badly hurt, and some of them die. People in the United States are trying to stop whales from getting hit. The Coast Guard teaches ship captains where the whales swim. The ship captains get a map of whale routes so they can keep away from the whales. There is also a law that says boats must stay at least 500 yards from right whales. Another problem for right whales is the fishing business. People spread giant nets in the ocean to catch tuna and other sea creatures. They don't want to catch whales, but sometimes whales get tangled in the nets. Whales get hurt, and if they can't get out of the nets, they die. Many people are working to solve the problem of the fishing nets. They go out in boats to rescue tangled whales. Some people are also working on a new kind of net that won't tangle up the whales. Water pollution is another problem for right whales. Long ago, the oceans were clean, but today the water is not as clean. Factories dump oil, gas, and other trash in the ocean. Whales can get sick from the dirty water. People around the world are working to clean up the oceans. The U.S. government has passed new laws to protect our oceans. Now, factories aren't allowed to dump their trash in the water. You can help the whales. Never throw trash in a river or an ocean. If you see trash at a beach, pick it up. Throw away bags, bottles, and other garbage in the proper place. If you don't, it may get washed out to sea.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.